If you accidentally apply too much silicone while caulking, remove the excess promptly to avoid ugly beads and long curing times. Start by tooling the bead immediately while the silicone is still wet. Use a flexible finishing tool or a wetted spatula held at a shallow angle and run it in one smooth pass to compress the sealant into the joint and shave off surplus. Keep a lint-free rag or paper towel and wipe the tool after each pass so you do not smear excess back into the joint. If you use masking tape, pull it away slowly and at a 45-degree angle before the silicone skins over to leave a crisp edge. For detailed areas where the tool cannot reach, press a clean, slightly damp finger along the bead to shape it, rinsing your finger often to prevent buildup. If a thick ridge remains after tooling, let the silicone partially cure until tacky, then trim the ridge carefully with a sharp utility knife and smooth the cut with another light pass of the finishing tool. When working around fixtures or glass, protect surfaces with tape and clean any transferred silicone with mineral spirits or a manufacturer-recommended solvent before it fully cures, testing the solvent in an inconspicuous spot first. Common mistakes include waiting too long to tool, which causes a lumpy bead. The remedy is to work immediately and keep cleaning materials at hand so you can shape the sealant before skinning occurs. Another is not wiping accumulated silicone off your tape or rag, which reintroduces excess back into the joint. Avoid this by changing or cleaning your wiping surface continuously during the job. A third issue is over trimming or cutting too early and leaving gaps. If that happens, let the area fully cure. Remove the failed bead, clean the joint of residue, and reapply a properly sized bead following the tooling steps above. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills and service areas. We also host an active discussion community where members share practical tips, ask questions, and post before and after photos to learn from each other.